it took her 10 minutes of work to generate $131,150 as what's called a TikTok Shop affiliate. And she did this in under 4 weeks. Now, what's even crazier is she did not have to worry about spending any of her own money buying and shipping products to different customers. She didn't even have to worry about running an e-commerce store as well. In this video, I'm going to show you the proof behind the numbers that I'm talking about. Talk about the TikTok Shop affiliate process at a high level. I'm also going to show you the 3 key steps which I believe led to her success. Now, if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Victor. I help beginner TikTok Shop affiliate creators make their first dollar online like I did. I do this by covering success case studies like this and breaking them down into easy to follow simple steps that you can go ahead and try out for yourself. If that sounds good to you, be sure to drop a big like, and if you watch all the way up until the end and if you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. So the product that she was promoting is called this Goli Ashwagandha Vitamin D gummy product. As you can see, it's currently ranking #1 here on Shop Plus. Shop Plus, by the way, is a TikTok Shop analysis tool. It's like a spy tool that you can use to spy on what's working on TikTok Shop affiliate currently. Whether you are an affiliate or whether you are a shop, you can use this tool to come and find out what's working. I've got a link in the description if you want to check that out, by the way. Some things that we need to make a note of: it offers a commission of 20%. So that means for every vitamin D gummy product that you sell at this price of $13.26, you will get paid 20% off that. And what's even crazier, what we want to pay attention to is the creator that I'm talking about in this video, which is this one here. What we can see here is she uploaded this video on the 21st of August 2024, so less than 4 weeks ago at the time of uploading this video. It's 111 seconds long, and we can see here that from this one video she generated $131,150 in revenue. So that means all the sales that she made promoting this product combined from this video that she created, people that bought the product from the link that she's put in that video, in total they made this amount here. Now, we know that this product gives you 20% commission for whatever amount of money that you generate. So that means she would have received as an affiliate 20% off this figure here. We can see that she would have generated $26,230 in commission. That's what she would have taken home. But how exactly does TikTok Shop affiliate work? So at a high level, if I was to describe it to you, TikTok Shop affiliate is creators like this that go and promote products such as this that are being sold by e-commerce stores, shops that are on TikTok Shop. So they make a video on behalf of that shop, they promote the product, they stick a link for people to go and buy this product if they are interested after watching this video, and these creators get paid a commission from that. So just like any other affiliate marketing relationship, except all of this is done within the TikTok app. As you'll already know, TikTok is one of the best, if not the best, platforms currently when it comes to people getting organically viral. So people going viral without needing to pay for ads, without needing to do a whole lot. And if you add that to the fact that people are now able to stick these links into their videos and promote these products, you can imagine what happens in terms of how much money people can generate if they do things correctly, if they follow the right process. Now, what is the right process in this case? So we're going to talk about the video that the creator generated, the video that the creator uploaded here, and just break it down a little bit so we can understand the success elements that led to the results that she has generated in this video here. So I'm just going to play the video a little bit. You might not be able to hear it. Now, the key thing that we want to note from this video is the visual hook. We can see here straight away, before you even start playing and watching the video, you can see she's got the ashwagandha gummies in her hand. You can tell straight away she's going to talk about a product. She's going to talk about these gummies. Now, the powerful thing about this hook is it attracts your ideal customer, people that are interested in those gummies. People that aren't interested will click off. They won't even click on the video, and that's okay, because you don't want to waste your time with people that aren't going to buy the product anyway. So straight away she hooks you in by showing you the different versions of the Goli Ashwagandha gummies. Now, The second powerful thing, which I think she did here, is she shows the actual deal of these gummies. Now, for those of you who don't know, usually when you're promoting a TikTok Shop affiliate product, there's usually some kind of sale, some kind of deal. Not all the time, but usually the shops will be running some kind of sale or deal behind that, which entices more and more people to buy, just like your local store would, your local furniture store, your local supermarket, etc. More people are likely to buy if you have a deal, right? So it's a similar thing here. It's no different, but she actually clicks the link in the video, and she actually shows you within the shop what you're going to see after you click the link, which I think is really, really powerful. She even points with a finger at the discount that the people that are buying the product will be able to see. And a lot of the time people will just tell you that there's a deal. They'll just tell you that, oh, you can get half off or you can get this off, but they won't actually show you where the deal is within the shop. So she does kind of give you the full picture in this video, which I think is really, really powerful, as you can currently see on the screen. And one of the biggest benefits, by the way, of TikTok Shop affiliate, there is generally just a lot of deals on a lot of products that are running currently. Even though TikTok Shop affiliate, or TikTok Shop rather, as an e-commerce platform is kind of getting more known, more popular currently, and is generating a ton of money, some people could argue that it is still relatively in its infancy. So TikTok is trying to still push it out, to a wider audience and for more people to become familiar. And for that reason, TikTok is pushing a lot of these shops that are on there to offer products at a discounted rate, so that entices more and more people to buy this product. So if you go into your own TikTok shop within your app, you'll see that a lot of the products on there have got some kind of deal attached to them, and that's a really good way to entice people. But obviously for us as TikTok Shop affiliates, it's really, really powerful, and it's really beneficial, because when you're talking about whatever product you're talking about, you can also offer these discounted rates and discounted deals, and it does give a sense of urgency for people to then get their credit card out or whatever and buy the product, which is really, really powerful. Now, the third thing that she did here is, of course, choose the right product. Now, there's hundreds, potentially of thousands of different products that you can buy from TikTok Shop and that you can sell as a TikTok Shop affiliate, so you can make a profit and make a ton of money, right? But as you can imagine, it's not all of those products that people are interested in that will make you a ton of commission, which is why, as with any e-commerce platform, as with any relationship where someone is offering someone else to buy a product from them, they have to offer a product that people are interested in. They have to choose the right product. All of this can take hours. Sometimes it can take even days on end. However, in the video that you can see on the screen, I am going to show you how to get product research done in minutes as a TikTok Shop affiliate. I'll see you in